Playing Simon Says with these chaotic chits.
Simon says what? I can't hear you. What did he say? I can't hear you. Simon said email. Or else you're gonna shoot. Okay. We on mute. Okay. So, like what I was saying. Simon said name. Wait, let me type in the chat. Some of y'all can hear me. Bro, I'm trying to get it right. Okay. Simon says, wait. Simon said names on videos. So you gonna break my
Yeah, that was not fair. That wasn't really fair. That was not fair, okay?
Stand on Autumn's head.
What the? What?
You never heard Simon sit on my head.
Wait, don't do it! Wait, don't do it! What the pose.
You never said Simon's bed.
I did.
I didn't mean you never said Sheriff's bed, so I was saying I said Sheriff's bed.
Oh, she did not say Sheriff Says. Here's a playback.
Stand on Autumn's head.
This girl.
Oh, well, he was murdered anyway, so. Holy practice. Okay, guys, so I have an AFK voice ago. We're gonna guess. Bro, stop trading me. I'm not trading. Okay, we meet down here.
Who's Sharon? Innocent. Yep. Sharon. In front of there. No, the regular murder mystery. No, we're not. I'm not. Simon says stands right here or else. No. They shoot her.
Oh my gosh, I missed.
Okay, I got
Kayla.
Everybody stop moving.
Okay, sorry. Kayla, come.
She doesn't want to play. I'm sure gonna picture Austin's avatar.
Okay.
He doesn't want to question you.
Oh, shit.
Bye. How did I guess that? Second time.
Guess me. Bro. I knew it.
It's time for sports. Many views have
We're meeting outside.
Yeah.
You're not shooting.
I murder.
What?
I murder.
No, wait, look at that. No. Austin, come outside. What the freak? Everyone die! Oh my god! Skyler, we can talk about this! Stop, get away! No. Skyler! Please, you have mercy! hiding behind that? Okay. Okay, but Skylar, come. No! Skylar! Yes! I did it! Oh my gosh! See, I told you, can we have mercy? But you didn't listen.
Wait, what happened to me?
It was 1, 2, 3.
She has it. She has the pumpkin. Wait, give me back. Yeah, give me stuff back. Yeah. I don't know how much the pumpkin is. That's called pumpkin kid. If I get my pumpkin, do I get it? No, give me my pumpkin. Do I get it? If I where's my ice cream?
Here.
Bro, give me ice cream in your own seeker. Yeah, but I tricked. No, give me it. Who shared a search law? Thank you. It's probably Caleb. Oh, how are you scanning? I'm not it. It's not the fetus. I'm actually innocent. It's not me. It's her. It's Autumn. It's her. Simon says F up. Well, beat me up. Simon says F up. Simon says Skylar, give that question if I see you. Simon. No, stop. Bro, stop me. Simon says no moving. No, stop. And no emoting. Emo girl. I was about to say that. I was about to say
Okay. Simon says go to the pool.
Wait, what?
No, it's okay. Okay, Simon says get out the pool. Simon says get out the pool.
Get out the pool.
Okay, Simon says step on Caleb's dead body.
Wait,
Step on Caleb's dead body.
Step.
Okay, Simon says whoever gets to the top first wins. Whoever's last, I'm gonna shoot. Go to the top over the third floor. The third floor.
I got your phone. It's not me. I got your phone. That's how you get away from me. Y'all would have laughed.
I don't play with people.
I got your phone. Why did you broke the rules for this one? Oh my god! It was supposed to be the last 3 people. Are you guys? You're not supposed to kill. Yes, you are. Wait. I killed 3 people back then. You're only supposed to kill when there's one last player. You're supposed to kill when there's 3 people left.
Well, you should have done that earlier and stop doing that.
Yes, we
You should have done in the kitchen.
Okay, we're out.
I do that.
I want to go to
How did you shoot her?
yeah, that's
I would crash out if that happened. You just, I'm gonna get shot in the first round.
Switch. I can't tell.
I hate Dr.
Pepper.
I love Dr. Pepper. I love Dr. Pepper.
I say I hate Dr. Pepper 5 trillion times. Why I get killed?
I love Dr. Pepper. 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 Okay, I am sheriff. And I'm gonna shoot the first girl I see. Okay. I'm gonna shoot you.
Okay, let's because I just came.
Okay, where's Kayla? Okay, Kayla's home.
Someone's there she is. Here comes the last fetus.
Simon says,
Otherwise,
no! You cheated her! You cheated her! Bro, no. She killed immediately just because Bree shot her. I thought her friend Skylar, like, first, you do too much. You're gonna kill at the first thing. Like, for real, why would you kill when this? My throat hurts. Sorry, guys.